Here's Precious Piper in the office. Yeah, there's some packing material on her back there. Anyway, she was being so cute. I just recorded this video and she started making sweet little sounds. So I wanted you to be able to hear those, so I'm not going to say anything for the rest of the video, and you got to hear the sound she makes.